Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. Today we cook potato fritters in the Calabrian way, like my grandmother did. Calabrian potato fritters are the ancient winter treat. The dish is very tasty and very simple to prepare. You can serve it as an appetizer or as a second course or even as a main course. To prepare potato fritters you will need 1 kilogram of potatoes, 500 grams of flour, an egg, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped parsley, salt, pepper to taste, seed oil for frying. To make your dish even tastier you can add chopped Parmesan cheese. Boil the potatoes in a pan with plenty of water. Once ready, peel the potatoes and mash them. Add an egg. Add salt and pepper. Add crushed garlic. Add chopped parsley. Add the grated Parmesan. And flour. Mix everything well until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Roll your potato fritters in the flour, forming slightly flattened balls. Fry the potato fritters in hot seed oil until golden brown. Lift them with a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with kitchen paper. Your Calabrian potato fritters are ready to be served. Bon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.